Be the change you wish to see in the world. This famous quote by Mahatma Gandhi leads us to question, is his message as pertinent in the present era as it was 100 years ago? Can the ideologies of a man from an entirely different epoch still ignite us, direct us, and influence our choices? This thought-provoking question demands exploration. Mahatma Gandhi, a beacon of tranquility and non-aggression, lived a life shaped by several key principles. These principles not only carved his existence, but also shaped his perspective of the world. Firstly, let's delve deeper into our understanding of ahimsa, or non-violence. This principle was so dear to Gandhi that he made it the cornerstone of his philosophy. He steadfastly believed in the power of resolving conflicts or disagreements through peaceful means and calm communication, rather than resorting to aggression or violence. We should try to promote empathy by understanding others' perspectives and feelings, even when we disagree with them. We should also avoid harmful words or actions that can hurt or harm others. It's not about agreeing with everyone, but rather about acknowledging their viewpoint and treating it with respect. And let's not forget the significance of supporting non-violent causes. We should support non-violent causes by getting involved in non-violent movements, or support organizations who are working towards social justice and peace. Ahimsa teaches us to promote peace and harmony, to stand up against violence in all its forms without resorting to violent means ourselves. It's about creating a cycle of peace, understanding, and respect, a world that Gandhi envisioned and strived for. Ahimsa is not just a principle, but a way of life, a path towards a peaceful coexistence. Moving forward, we delve into satya, or truth, a cornerstone in Gandhi's life and philosophy. This was not just a simple concept for Gandhi, it was the underpinning of his entire existence. Gandhi's life was an open book, a testament to honesty in its purest form. He practiced what he preached, embodying truth in every facet of his life. We can speak the truth by communicating honestly and transparently with those around us. We should avoid deception or half-truths that can erode the trust in relationships. This was not merely about speaking the truth, but about being honest in our thoughts, words, and deeds. It involved an introspective journey, a deep dive into one's own consciousness, to root out any dishonesty lying within. It was about bringing a harmony between our thoughts, words, and actions. He also urged us to challenge misinformation, standing up against falsehood no matter the consequences. Gandhi believed that it was our duty to question, probe, and interrogate any information that seemed suspicious or untrue. This was not merely a call to skepticism, but a call to intellectual and moral responsibility. And finally, Gandhi promoted the value of transparency in our relationships. He believed that open, honest communication was the foundation of any healthy relationship. It was about having the courage to express our thoughts and feelings openly, to share our vulnerabilities, and to accept others for who they truly are. Transparency, as per Gandhi, was not about being vulnerable, it was about being real and authentic. Let's delve deeper into the concept of Swaraj, or self-discipline. It is a principle that was exemplified by Mahatma Gandhi, whose life serves as an open book of lessons for the world. His simple lifestyle is a testament to his belief in minimalism and offers valuable lessons for the practice of emotional regulation. Gandhi strongly believed that excess of any kind leads to emotional chaos. By leading a life devoid of unnecessary materialistic possessions, he taught us the significance of maintaining emotional stability, which is a key aspect of Swaraj. Besides, Gandhi's remarkable self-control is a lesson for us all. His ability to restrain his needs and wants to only what was essential, and his focus on his objectives demonstrate an extraordinary level of self-control. By practicing self-control, we can develop the ability to regulate your emotions, desires, and impulses, which can help us to make more deliberate and thoughtful choices. We should also set personal goals for self-improvement and work towards them with dedication and perseverance. What we also have is seva, a term deeply rooted in the Indian culture, which means service to others. This concept of service is about dedicating one's efforts for the betterment of others, often in a selfless manner. An exemplary figure of seva is Mahatma Gandhi, a beacon of selflessness. His life is a testament to this concept. His service to his country and people was unparalleled. Hence, we should also volunteer and give back by dedicating our time and resources to causes that benefit our community or society as a whole, such as volunteering at a local charity or organizing a community cleanup. Gandhi dedicated his entire life to the struggle for freedom and justice, all the while remaining committed to nonviolence and truth. He worked tirelessly, sacrificing personal comforts and even his legal career to ensure the emancipation of India from colonial rule. His actions were not motivated by power or personal gain, but by a deep-rooted sense of duty towards his fellow countrymen. Hence, we should also empower others by encouraging and supporting individuals to reach their full potential by sharing knowledge, skills, and opportunities. This kind of selfless service displayed by Gandhi continues to inspire us today, reminding us of the power that lies in dedicating oneself to a cause greater than the individual. It impels us to volunteer our time and resources, to practice kindness in our daily interactions. We should also practice kindness by engaging in acts of compassion, whether it's helping a neighbor in need, offering support to a friend, or assisting a stranger. In essence, Seva, as embodied by Gandhi, teaches us that we can each make a difference in the world, no matter how small our actions might seem. It is a call to action for each one of us to become agents of change in our own unique way. Lastly, we have Swadeshi or self-sufficiency. Gandhi promoted the use of local goods and sustainability. We should support local businesses by buying locally produced goods and supporting small businesses in our community to promote economic sustainability. We can also reduce waste by embracing sustainable practices, such as reducing single-use plastics, conserving resources, and recycling to minimize your environmental impact. We should also try to grow our own food. If feasible, we should cultivate a small garden or support local agriculture to reduce dependence on mass-produced and imported goods. Another vital principle Gandhi emphasized was swahata, which represents physical and mental cleanliness. He famously said that cleanliness is next to godliness, believing that personal hygiene, clean surroundings were as important as spiritual purifying of one's thoughts and emotions. He taught his followers to take responsibility for their surroundings, to keep their homes and neighborhoods clean. Today, this principle resonates more than ever. Amid global health crises, Gandhi's emphasis on cleanliness serves as a poignant reminder of the importance of hygiene for our health and well-being. It stresses the need for clean public spaces, waste management, and personal hygiene habits like regular hand washing. In the context of our daily lives, we can embody this principle by maintaining cleanliness in our homes, workplaces, and communities. We can also advocate for policies that promote cleanliness and sanitation in public spaces. This not only contributes to our health, but also to the aesthetics and the environmental health of our surroundings. Due to a deep connection between physical cleanliness and mental clarity, a clean environment can promote a sense of well-being and peace. We should adopt cleanliness in our daily routines, such as organizing our living spaces, reducing clutter, and practicing mindfulness to keep our minds clear and focused. Cleanliness extends beyond personal habits and includes environmental responsibility as well. We should also take steps to reduce pollution, conserve resources, and contribute to a cleaner and healthier planet. So, as we strive to live by Gandhi's principles, let's remember to keep our bodies, our homes, and our communities clean. Because cleanliness, as Gandhi believed, is not just about physical purity, it's a state of overall well-being. As we explore these principles, it's clear that Gandhi's message is not confined to the era he lived in. His principles of non-violence, truth, self-discipline, service to others, and self-sufficiency are universal and timeless. They inspire us to be better individuals, to build stronger relationships, and to contribute positively to our communities and the world at large. In a nutshell, Gandhi's message, a century after his time, continues to guide us, to inspire us, and to challenge us. It encourages us to be the change we wish to see in the world, to live authentically and compassionately, and to strive for social justice and peace. And that, my friends, is the enduring relevance and power of Gandhi's message.